Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge smartphone technology with a close look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro to 5G. The Pixel series has been synonymous with innovation, exceptional camera capabilities, and seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. The Pixel 9 Pro continues this tradition, offering a blend of powerful performance, stunning design, and advanced features that make it a standout in the competitive smartphone market. Design and display. Starting with the design, the Pixel 9 Pro boasts a sleek and sophisticated look that feels premium in hand. It features a seamless glass front and back with an aluminum frame, providing both durability and a touch of elegance. The phone comes in a range of stunning colors, allowing users to choose one that best suits their style. The display is one of the highlights of the Pixel 9 Pro. It sports a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an enhanced gaming experience. HDR10+ support means that videos and images look incredibly lifelike, whether you're streaming content or browsing through your photo gallery. Performance. Under the hood, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, this combination ensures that the phone can handle anything you throw at it. From multitasking and running demanding apps to playing the latest games. The Pixel 9 Pro also comes with 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Camera capabilities. One of the standout features of the Pixel series has always been its camera, and the Pixel 9 Pro is no exception. It features a triple camera setup on the back, comprising a 50MP main sensor, a 4.8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The camera system is equipped with advanced computational photography features, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any lighting condition. The night sight mode has been further improved, offering even better low-light performance. The new motion mode lets you capture moving subjects with incredible clarity, while the real tone feature ensures accurate skin tones in every shot. On the front, the 12MP selfie camera delivers crisp and clear selfies, and the wide-angle lens is perfect for group shots. Software and features. The Google Pixel 9 Pro runs on Android 14, offering a clean and intuitive user interface. Being a Google phone, it comes with exclusive features and the latest updates directly from Google. The new features in Android 14 include enhanced privacy controls, improved multitasking capabilities, and a host of new customization options. One of the standout software features is the improved Google Assistant, which is now faster and more responsive. The Assistant can help you with everything from setting reminders and sending messages to controlling smart home devices and providing real-time translation. Another notable feature is the Magic Eraser, which allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from your photos with just a few taps. This feature leverages Google's advanced machine learning algorithms to seamlessly blend the background, making it look like the object was never there. Battery and charging. The Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring that you can get through a full day of use without needing to recharge. When you do need to top up the battery, the phone supports 3.0W fast charging, both wired and wireless. The new battery share feature allows you to wirelessly charge other devices, such as earbuds or a smartwatch, using your Pixel 9 Pro. Connectivity. As the name suggests, the Pixel 9 Pro supports 5G connectivity, providing blazing fast internet speeds and improved network reliability. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing online games, or downloading large files, 5G ensures that you can do it all without any lag or interruptions. The phone also supports Wi-Fi 6E, offering faster and more stable wireless connections, and Bluetooth 5.3 for improved audio quality and range when using wireless headphones or speakers. The addition of ultra-wideband UWB technology allows for precise device tracking and improved functionality with other UWB-enabled devices. Security is a top priority for Google, and the Pixel 9 Pro comes with several features to keep your data safe. The Titan M2 security chip ensures that your sensitive information is protected, while the built-in VPN and automatic updates help keep your device secure from the latest threats. The Pixel 9 Pro also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, providing a fast and secure way to unlock your phone. Face Unlock is another convenient option, using advanced facial recognition technology to ensure that only you can access your device. Conclusion: in summary, the Google Pixel 9 Pro 5G is a powerhouse of a smartphone that excels in every aspect. From its stunning design and display to its top-of-the-line performance and camera capabilities, it offers everything you could want in a modern smartphone. The seamless integration with Google's ecosystem, coupled with exclusive features and the latest software updates, makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a premium Android device. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who simply wants a reliable and feature-packed smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro is sure to impress. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this overview has given you a good sense of what the Google Pixel 9 Pro 5G has to offer. If you have any questions or would like to see a live demonstration, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.